Hello, all my beautiful souls. How are you all? So, let's talk today on our mindset. You have seen whenever you wanted to start something new, you would be facing some kind of fear. So, that fear is nothing but fear of getting failed, fear of insecurity, fear of how it look, how would it sense, how the world would see you, how would you would face it, what would be the outcome of it. So this kind of thoughts bring fears, anxiety, stress whenever we want to start something new. For an example, if a person wants to start a business after a long term job, now he thinks about how it would be. So this brings certain kind of fears and insecurity in one's mind. So, to overcome all these obstacles, one should try to change their mindset. Now, mindset is what? Mindset is a part of our subconscious mind which try to work whenever we are conscious. So, whatever you think, it is implanted during our thinking process and it brings some kind of fear. Now, this fear is nothing else but you want to be in your comfort zone. You don't want to come out from that zone which makes you uncomfortable. You don't want to try something new. Why? Because you have that fear. You want to stay in that comfort zone which makes you more and more comfortable. So just think about some people in our world who has achieved something, who has got success. So while they are successful, you have seen or read somewhere or you have come to know that what kind of hurdles they had faced. So by that we should also try to bring that in our mind. So whenever you want to start something new, like for example, now you have taken the initiative to start meditation, but whenever we start something new, the divine timing or the universe or the universal source would also try to take your test. Like are you able to do your meditation regularly, or the day when you took the action to start meditation, so are you able to continue it? Now for an example, the day when you decided, okay, today I would do my meditation, the first day of my meditation you were able to do on the first day, but on the second day, for an example, your relatives are there, you had some social work, you had some job work to do, you had some target to finish. So all these things goes on and on, which creates hurdles in our respective work what we want to do. So to overcome all these things, we should always keep on acting. We should always put on our actions rather than just sitting and regretting, like I'm not able to do. So these negative thoughts always take our energy to start something new. So the main part, become an action taker by thinking in the way with a perfect positive mindset. So for that, now I'll give you a task. In this task, what you have to do, just note down in your notebook or in a piece of paper, like whatever fears you had till now, copy it, write it down. Like whatever fears you have or you want to leave it, just write it down. Pause the video, write down your fears and come back to it. Okay, now you have written your fears which you want to leave out, which you want to get rid out of it. Now the thing is that what next steps you have to take to overcome these fears. So you have to do with the written part about writing the do's and don'ts. Do's and don'ts of what? To come to your target, to come to your aim, to come to your goals, which would help you with the do's and don'ts. Like for example, if I say about you want to become a businessman. Okay, so now for becoming a businessman, what would be your actions? What things you have to do? So make the list of it. And the things which you avoid doing, that is the don'ts. So make that don'ts list. So it should not be more longer. You can take 3 or 4 actions of do's and don'ts, or it may be more according to your desires or your target or goals of your life. Okay, so for the next task, after writing your fears to which you want to leave out, next task is to write your do's and don'ts to overcome these fears, which would lead to your successful life or lead to your aims. Okay, so the task is to write down the do's and don'ts. Okay, now after that writing, you can or you must paste these do's and don'ts on your working desk area or on the wall where you can easily see or it is visible to you daily. Okay, so at least this you can see it daily, so that it would always make you to know that these objectives I have to do it, and these are the things which I have to remove. If I go with that part, I would not do it. Okay, so paste this on your working space area or wherever it is visible for you daily as you wake up and when you go to bed. Okay, so this is the task what you have to do. Now the last task, I told you had to do some steps. Okay, so the last task is that you have to just click the photo of these fears what you want to overcome and the do's and don'ts what you have written in your notebook or paper. Just click the photos of these 2 pages and just share in the group. Okay, now you would think, ma'am, why should I share in the group? Why? Okay, I'm not interested to share my mental process in the group. Okay, just listen. No one is interested in knowing yours mental process. Okay, so you just think about yourself and just put it in the group, because I'm the only one going to read it and help you to come out from your hidden fears or limiting beliefs. So be free, make yourself free, and you must share your photos of fears to overcome and do's and don'ts to achieve your targets in the group. I would open the group in the evening at 8 o'clock. So be ready with it. Till then, bye.